Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Why am I covering Doge more frequently? Because we have seen, or there was a potential for a first 5-wave move up, and we've seen that 5-wave move up now. So these are always the patterns that we're looking for. Obviously, I try to make you aware before such a 5-wave move happens. So you could either trade the 5th wave, or you can you have time to prepare for the subsequent wave 2. Maybe add that coin chart to your watch list or whatever. But the good news is on the Doge chart, we have now seen a very, very weak, very questionable first 5-wave move to the upside in what would be circle 1. And then circle 2 would be the next pullback opportunity. So that means at the moment, the price moved from support into the target area I communicated over the last few days. I think yesterday or the day before, I also shared with you the bigger picture, the larger time frame. So you have an idea of the overall context. But yeah, this is just a quick update about the microstructure. And we can see that the price has now formed, as I said, a first micro 5-wave move to the upside in circle 1. Would be great if the price could stretch a little bit higher, but that C wave is already very long here. But the next upside, but that's what happens sometimes in crypto, you know, when there is some bullish sentiment, we start to see some more aggressive extensions. And if wave 5 of 1 is indeed unfolding, then wave 2 should, and again, it's moving support. I will probably remove it again. But if the pullback started now, then support would be between 9 cents and 11.1. But again, it's a moving support area and it's not finished yet to the upside. Probably not. I'd actually prefer one more push higher because then we have a more healthy wave 5. It's already, you know, the internal structure already indicates an extended C wave, but we haven't really broken much above the 3rd wave high. So I would prefer maybe one more push higher to 14.9 cents or so. Doesn't mean it has to stop there, but that's also where we have some structural resistance from the July high. So I'm pretty much tracking a 5-wave move up here. And once we get a confirmed top, I will add support. By the way, that kind of makes sense because one of the Elliott wave guidelines, one of the maybe less well-known Elliott wave guidelines, is that a wave 2 tends to finish in the area of a previous wave 4 of one lesser wave degree. So we're talking about the area between 10.5 to 9.8 cents. This would be, it doesn't have to finish exactly there, and it's not a strict rule. It is more a guideline. It is more a guideline, and the pullback would be an ABC structure. So once we get the A wave complete and the B wave, we can add support for wave C, which would be an additional level, you know, additional parameters, because we have first of all the standard support for wave 2, but then also based on the internal structure, we can define a target for wave C. So that's pretty much how it would work in this correction. So the A wave can be quite fast, then the B wave bounce, dead cat bounce, and then the C wave down could give us a good target. So yeah, that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.